Have you ever experienced wrist pain during your yoga practice? Often, this pain in the wrist joint comes from weak muscles in the hands and forearms. So in today's videos, I'll be sharing a great practice to strengthen these muscles in order to support your wrists in your practice. Come to a comfortable seated position with the sitting bones grounded on the floor or a cushion and your spine long. With the shoulders completely relaxed, we're going to extend the arms in front of us, spreading the fingers wide and pointing them up to the sky. From here, we're going to close the hands into tight fists, and in the next step, point the knuckles of the fingers down towards the floor. Pointing the knuckles up again, and spreading the fingers as wide as we can. One more time, close the fingers to a tight fist, point the knuckles down, point the knuckles back up, and extend the fingers fully. We're going to repeat this movement a couple times, moving as fast as we can, while keeping the movement strong and clear. So closing the hands, pointing the knuckles down, up, and extending the fingers. Keeping the arms long, shoulders relaxed, and the breath steady. This exercise will really bring some heat to your forearms, all the little muscles, all the way into the fingers. Great exercise to strengthen and to warm up before your practice. It shouldn't take long until you can feel the heat building, and it might become really challenging. Keep breathing. And keep doing the movements as best as you can. If it becomes too much, you can always slow down a little bit. Taking 3 more deep breaths. You can see it's becoming challenging for me. And release. Maybe shake out the hands a little bit, releasing any built-up tension. You can practice this exercise for a few minutes every day, and after a while you'll really feel that your wrists and the muscles are becoming much stronger and more stable to support you during your practice. You can also try the same practice while reaching the arms out to the side or up towards the sky and see how that changes the effects. I wish you a safe and healthy practice. Namaste.